Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue part 2 to solving practice question perimeter and area in 2 dimensions. Look at number 11. Find the areas in the following figures, giving your answer correct to decimal places. Okay, let's check it. So this is a kite. If this is 6 centimeter, so this will be 6 centimeter, and this 2.5. So the area of kite is a half of first diagonal times second diagonal. So first diagonal we got 2.5 plus 2.5, which is 5. And then we got here 6 plus 6 is 12. So 1 over 2 of 60, which is 30 centimeter square. Next, this is the still same question, same type of question. So this is a kite. We got first diagonal 9 and 11. This is 4.5 and 4.5. So the area is a half of first diagonal times the second diagonal. So half of 9 plus 11 is 20 times 45 plus 45 is going to be 9. So this is a half of 180. So which is the answer of 90 centimeters square. Okay, C. We got two types. This is a parallel line, so this is trapezium and a triangle. First and second. Let us do it the first. So the area of the first is gonna be 1 over 2. Base is 2 times 4.8. So this will give us answer of 4.8. The second area now. This is a trapezium. So sum of the parallel line 5 plus 7, and we multiply with the height is 4.8. 4.8, and then we divide it by 2. So this is gonna be 6 times 4.8, and then we divide it by 2. So 6. Yeah, 6, this 12 divided by 2 is gonna be 6. So we can just find it 6 times 4.8. So the second area is 28.8. So first area addition with the second area is gonna be 4.8 plus 28.8. So this will give us the answer of 33.6 centimeters square. Next, D. Okay, same as we got the first diagonal here and second diagonal. If this is 3, so it's also gonna be 3. So let's find it first for the kite. Okay, this for the kite. So 1 over 2 first diagonal times second diagonal. So 1 over 2 of 6.5 and 5.5 is 12, and 3 is 6. So it's gonna be 36. And second area, this is 4 and this is 6.3. Parallelogram, so we just make it 4 times 6.3. So we got 4 times 6.3, which is 25.2. So first area we addition with the second area, so 36 plus 25.2. So this will give us answer of 61.2 centimeter square. Next, what we got from here? First, we got a rectangle of 15 times 40. So 15 times 40 is gonna be 600. And then we got the second from here. If this is 8, so this is 5. Like 20 minus by 15 is 5, so it's also gonna be 5. This is 40, this is 8, so 40 minus 8, so this is 35. Okay, we got the second first. It's a rectangle. So 5 times 8, which is 40, and then the third area. is a triangle. So 35 times, yeah, 5. No, not 35. 40, we minus by 8, so it's gonna be 32. So this is 32. So 32 times 5, and then we divide it by 2. So this will be, where's the question? Okay. Yeah, this will be 80. So our addition, 600 plus 40 plus by 80. So the total area is gonna be 720 centimeter square. Next, we got a half of circle. So let's find it. The first area, a half of pi r square, or a half of pi r is mean 50 square. So 50 square is 25,000 divided by 2. So the first is gonna be 1, 2, 5, 1 to 5 pi. Sorry, 1,250 pi. Let's make it for the second area. So a half pi r square. So a half pi 30 square. So 30 square. Wait a moment. 30 square is 900, and we divide by 2. This will be 450 pi. Third area, a half of circle here. We forgot something. I miss. So radius is a half of diameter. So this is 25. This is 20. And this is 15. So let us start over. So this is 25 square. And this is 15 square. And for this one, a half pi r square plus a half pi 20 square. So let's start it first with 25 square is 625 divided by 2. This is the first. It's gonna be 312.5 pi. The second is 15 square is 225 divided by 2. This will be 112.5 pi. The third is 20 square, and divided by 2 is 200 pi. So we can make a total. This is 625 pi. And we got a triangle inside the 4 with the height of 40. So 40 times 30, we divide by 2. So this will give us the answer of 600. So we can make a total of 625 pi plus 600 centimeter square, the area. Number 12 now. 1.5, you can see it from here. 1.5 times 2.5. Rectangular rug is placed on the floor, regular room. So how much of the floor is not? So let us find it, the area of rug. Let's make it 1.5. Here 1.5 times 2.4. This is 3.6 meters square. And for this is 3.5 times 4.2 is gonna be 14.7. So the not covered is 14.7 minus by 3.6. So it's gonna be 11.1 meter square, not covered by the rug. The area of the rhombus of the sides is, okay, look at it, this millimeter. So to make it into millimeter, we multiply by 10. So this is 80. So we can make it the area of rhombus is base with height. If area 500, this is 80, and height, so height is 5600 divided by 80. So 5600 divided by 80, it's gonna be 70 millimeter, or we can make it as 7 centimeter. Number 14. Now calculate the exact length of the arc AB. Okay, AB 120. So we can make it 120% degree divided by 360 degree total triangle. Multiply it with the area is pi r square. So 120 we can simplify it. Each we divide by 120. So this is 1/3. Pi r is 21 square. So 21 square is 441. So this is 441/3 pi. So 441 we divide by 3. This will give us the answer of 147 pi. Yeah, pi. Millimeter square. This is not sorry, angle of the R. Yeah, this is angle of exact length of the R. Oh, if exactly length, we need to find the perimeter. So a moment, this is so let's change it. So if this is radius, so we can multiply it by 2. 21 is 42. So this is after 42, this 1/3 pi with 42. So we can make it 42 divided by 3 is 14. So this is 14 pi. This length. Ta-da. Okay, that's perimeter. So length of the arc. So we need to find this length, the circumference of this area. Next, okay, we need to find it here. The perimeter. So if this is 90, so we go 360 minus by 90. So 270 divided by 360. Circumference is gonna be 2 pi with r. So 2 pi is 20, so we can make it 270. Let's divide it by 9. 270 divided by, it's gonna be 3, and this is 4, and then we got 20 pi. So this is gonna be 15 pi centimeter. Next, for the C, we got 40 degrees, so 40/360, 2 pi with r. So we can simplify it 1/9. So this is 2 pi is 12. So 24/9. Yeah, 24/9 pi. We can simplify it with divided by 3, 8/3 pi millimeter. Or if you would like, it will be 2.6 pi millimeter. There it is. Now is number 15. The diagram show a cross section of the earth. Okay, two cities X and Y lie on the same. Given the radius, calculate the distance. Okay, the distance is the same thing like we find the length of the arc. We find X to Y. So if this is 60 degree, so 60 degree over 360 degree. And then 2 pi with 6,371. So this we divide by 6, 1/6, and then 2 pi we multiply by 6,371. So it's going to be 1/3 pi multiplied by 6371. Okay. If the answer want to give us the correct answer, so first let us make it 6371 divided by, let's make it 6371. We multiply it with pi and we divide by 3. So this will give us the answer if we do decimal place. So 6671.7 kilometer. Next, calculate the shade area of the arc. Answer as multiple of pi. Okay, this area of arc. So this is 60 degree of 360 degree. If the area is pi r square. So this is 1/6. R we got 12. So pi times 12 square. So 12 square is 144. So this is 144/6 pi. We could divide it. 144 divided by 6 is 24.5 centimeter square. Next, 150. So 150 degree of 360 degree. Pi with r square. So both of them we can divide it by 30. So 360, if we divide by 30, it's gonna be 12. And 140, if we divide by 30, it's gonna be 5. Okay. And then 5, r square is 20 square. So this is gonna be 20 square is 400. So 5 times 400 over 12 pi. Okay, so 5 times 400, so we could simply divide. This is 5 times 100 over 3 pi. So this is gonna be 500 over 3 pi, or we can write it as 233.33 pi centimeter square. Now is the C. Find the shade area. So first, let us find this arc of 90 over 360 degree pi r square. So this gonna be 1/4 pi 18 square. So we need to find it. What is 18 square? It's gonna be 324 divided by 4 and then pi. So this is 81 pi. But we should minus with this triangle. It's 18, so 18. So minus it by 18 times 18. We divide it by 2. So the final answer is going to be 81 pi minus 162 millimeter square. Oh, here the question. Let's see the question here. A large circular pizza has a diameter of 25 centimeter. Okay, it makes sense. 25 centimeter diameter, or circumference gonna be diameter. So write it. The first information, diameter is 25. Cut pizza into 8 equally. So we cut it into 8. Calculate the size of each slice in centimeter. Okay, 8. So 360 degree. If we divide it by 8, so how many degree for each angle? 360 divided by 8 is gonna be 45 degree. So we need to find 45 degree of 360. Calculate the size. Size is mean the area. So pi with r square. So this is 360 divided by 45 is 8, 1/8. And then we got pi. R is 25 divided by 2, 12.5. Make it square. It's gonna be 156.25. So this is 156.25 over 8 and then pi. Okay, so we got 156.25 with pi and divided by 8. So we round it to the correct significant, so it's gonna be 61.4 centimeter square for each pizza because this is equal. Okay, there it is. Thank you.